If you're not able to see your external funds on your dashboard, it's normal to be worried. Let's sort it out and figure out why this can happen. First, check your Consolidated Account Statement or CAS. A Consolidated Account Statement is a single combined statement that shows all the investment related financial transactions that you've made in the course of a month. It includes all mutual funds and also any other securities that you're holding in dematerialized or demat mode. Basically, the Consolidated Account Statement provides a comprehensive overview of all of your investments in one place and makes it easier to track all of your holdings. Do the scheme/units in your generated consolidated account statement match those in the CAS from CAMS or K Fintech? If they don't match, please wait for 24 hours for your dashboard to update. Sometimes there can be a slight delay in the updating of information, but it usually gets resolved within a day. If it's been more than 24 hours and your funds still aren't showing, try importing the funds again. You must make sure that the email address linked to your external funds matches the email ID used to generate your consolidated account statement. Hope you found this helpful.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme related documents carefully before investing.